Look at this. There are 6,128 members in my trading group, and we're killing it. Got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Will it pull back? Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Bitcoin daily chart, some bearish ideas on the charts. And so right now, Bitcoin's sitting at the support level around 33,100. If this level breaks, I mean, potentially you could see a move down here, 31,000, right? The 618 fib level, $27,000. You know, a lot of time Bitcoin pulls back. This is the golden pocket for a reason. So, and then you've got a bearish stochastic cross on the daily chart, which has nailed some moves to the downside. So, again, bulls, I mean, they got to pull off something here. This is a 4-hour Bitcoin chart. Price action sitting here right in this mid-range, right? I mean, it's right now, you've got your low, your higher low, and potentially, you know, if the bulls could put in a bounce here, this is technically a midterm uptrend, but this higher low has to hold. Like, you don't want to see the bulls lose this level. This is the Bitcoin 1-hour chart. And right now, I mean, the bears are winning. The price action broke out of this falling channel, got rejected by this strong resistance. Now, I mean, it's at the bottom of this pattern. If you can just envision like this as a rising channel, 68% chance it breaks to the downside. So again, if the bulls can't hold this $33,000 level, we just take it level by level, 32,000, 31,000, 30,000, you know, potentially some downside here for Bitcoin. It's holiday weekend in the United States. Will we see a bunch of crazy price action? Bitcoin's just ranging, right? Some of these alt BTC pairs have been pumping hard. Some of the smaller caps, we've been capitalizing on those pretty well. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said, you changed my life. Up $320,000. Yeah, that's life-changing money. This person, Incentive Investments, he said, been in your group last 10 months. I turned $5,000 into $110,000. Huge. This person took $10,000 and turned it into $120,000 in about 18 months in the group, quit his job. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime, period. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Rose BTC. So I had posted this setup about 2 weeks ago and then made a video on it today. And it had pumped a little bit, but then immediately, as soon as I posted the video, had a 20% pump out of Rose. Pretty solid. Comp, this coin is just bull run ready. This thing is up 47% since I posted on the 28th. Right now, you got to be in the right coins. Most of the market's getting wrecked. Some of these coins, like, they're just doing their own thing. I'm going to talk to you about Kava in just a second. Cardano had a pump when Grayscale came out and said they're adding ADA to its suite of investment products. The firm adds ADA. They're offering retail and institutional investors exposure to a basket of altcoins that they have, and ADA is one of them now. This makes ADA the third largest holding for Grayscale. Also, ADA's got a ton of news coming next quarter. September the 30th, they're looking at Alonzo smart contracts launching. So, again, ADA's been a stronger coin. I mean, Bitcoin's going to rule the show, right? It runs everything. But like when these altcoins take off, I think Ethereum and ADA are going to be real strong. So when Bitcoin starts acting right, I'm telling you, these are the altcoins to focus on. Binance tweeted, less than 2.3 million more Bitcoin can be mined. I bet there's more Bitcoin than this that have been lost. Do not get down about this 50% pullback out of Bitcoin. We're going to get a good bounce here. We're going to buy into strength. We're going to make a ton of money. Iran comes out and they said, we're going to ban all foreign mined cryptocurrencies. And I'm thinking, yeah, good luck. Legal framework, Central Bank of Iran, foreign bank. Like, how are they going to, good luck tracking that? Elon tweets, baby Doge, and it pumps like 70 to 90%, something crazy. This guy, piece of work. So there's a lot of Binance FUD in the news today, like quite a few pieces. And just know that this gets released all the time. Like Binance FUD over the years has just been a constant. And Binance has been through this situation many times before. They've moved locations. They've adjusted. For example, they created Binance US. And what they do is they restrict futures in one location. And this is nothing to panic about. So now institutional customers can access additional trading pairs and payment options through an expansion of supported fiat currencies. This was tweeted by Coinbase Institutional. Skybridge Capital is going to launch a private Ethereum fund. I'm telling you guys, this the writing on the wall, the foundation, the base is being laid. There's going to be a ton of money ready to accumulate these altcoins. Man, the upside, and I'm just saying the future, like 2017 when I started in crypto buying Bitcoin for $800, nothing like this was happening. Psychology of a crypto trader. The problem that I see with new traders, people in this market in general, is like people are buying this greed and they're selling on fear. They do it wrong. They're buying the top, they're selling the bottom, and it takes practice to kind of retrain yourself emotionally. Like you want to trade like a bot. Right? You have to tell yourself when you get excited, super excited about some money that you've made in a trade, take profits, sell some of it. Even if I was talking to a young lady in the group today and just talking, like even if you just start with a small amount, just try it. And she said she took some Ethereum out a couple months ago and turned out being a really smart decision. Only problem is she bought some other coins and those got wrecked too. And so again, you have to be able to, these market pullbacks in crypto are devastating. So a lot of this psychology, I go over with you guys on the channel, and I think it's important to kind of understand like what you think you should do, what you feel you should do is probably wrong 70% of the time. Kava has a ton of news coming. I've got to set up on this one. So they got the testnet launch is coming in about 10 days. So Bitcoin acts right, you'll get a run up to this idea. Right? Bitcoin price action trumps the news. Then a month later, you've got the mainnet launch and then Kava swap. So again, a ton of news for Kava in the next 45 days or so. So again, this is huge. Bitcoin CME futures, like right now, it's hard to be super bullish. I mean, just think about it. I mean, the price action, you get this bull trap here and potentially this bull trap here, right? And then now that the price action broke back into this channel, you start to see breakdown of 33,000. It's just level by level, 31,000, 30,000. So this is a 5-minute chart, and everybody's waiting for this breakout of this 5-minute falling wedge, and it breaks out. I mean, it looks just like a dud. You ever go buy a firework and it just kind of a bottle rocket and just kind of shoots off and just dies? Like that's what happened here. Like, are you going to retest, and are the bulls going to show up, or did everybody, you got an oversold bounce, probably some temporary, like this is 5-minute chart. This is probably not relevant, but when I'm trying to nail a move or nail an entry, and it's just like, pins and needles today watching Bitcoin, because this is a key level that needs to hold. The dollar index, DXY. So the idea behind the dollar index and watching that compared to the stock market is when the dollar is strong, typically it's bad for Bitcoin and the stock market. However, and I've showed you guys this in the past, like it's really hit or miss right now, but the dollar is getting rejected at this upper trend line. Dollar was overbought, pulled back, you had some bearish divergence, and so again, this is a double bottom. You know, this is a sign, it's a bullish setup for the dollar over time, and you've seen like major reversals on a macro level haven't necessarily been good for Bitcoin or the stock market, right? The idea is, you know, people take money out of stocks and potentially Bitcoin and convert it to dollars, thus strengthening the value of the dollar. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.